guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm gonna be doing my June favorites, and I know that the month isn't over yet, but I just thought that I would get, you know, an early start on it. And I have a special guest in this video today. I have my little mama Azori. She's excited, she's kicking her legs. Look mama, look, say hi, say hi mama, say hello. Oh. But yeah, she's gonna be sitting here on my lap because she wouldn't stay in her swing or anything like that. She just woke up from her nap, so she's ready to play. So yeah, so the first thing I want to get into is skincare and what I've been using on my skin. I did end up switching my skincare when I got pregnant with my daughter because, you know, the stuff that I was using before, it was working for me previously, but prior to being pregnant, but after that it just stopped working for me. My skin started to get really dry. I started breaking out. I started flaking like all over the place, and I was like, this is not working. And I did want to get something a little bit more pregnancy friendly, not necessarily natural, but something that would be better suited for my skin while I am pregnant. So the first product is from the Body Shop, and it's the Tea Tree Squeaky Clean Scrub. It has tea tree oil in it. I really like this product. I sometimes use this to take my makeup off. Like even today, like I'll use this to take my makeup off. Obviously it doesn't take off. She's over there now, put her on the bed. It doesn't take off waterproof mascara or anything like that, but I do use it to take out, like, wash off my makeup. It suds up, so when you do apply it to your hands and you wet your face, it does create a lather. That's what I like. So my face feels really clean after I use it. And it just, I don't know, like it has like a really natural smell. It smells kind of minty, and that's what I feel makes my face feel so squeaky clean. Like the title, the name of this product definitely describes how it feels on your face. Squeaky Clean Scrub. It's really good. It takes off makeup like a dream. I do use makeup remover as well, but on a lazy day, sometimes I don't feel like doing all of that. I'll just come, take my eyelashes off, and I'll just use this all over my face and then rub everything off, and then it's fine. Like everything comes off. For a lighter day now, like if I don't want to use a scrub, I will go ahead and use the same product, but this is just the facial wash. It's the Skin Clearing Facial Wash, and I got the really big one. I'm not gonna lie to you, the Body Shop always has a sale. I would say check their website often. They always get 40% off their website. So I would say that would be the best time to go ahead and purchase these items, especially when these go on sale as well. So these will be cheaper, and then you'll get an extra 40% off of that. So it's really bomb. But I do like using this. This is just like the liquid version to the soap, and it doesn't have any exfoliating beads in it or whatever. So it's just a liquid soap, and I really like using this too. But just for a regular day, but my go-to is the scrub. And the next item that I've been using for my skincare regimen is the Origins Clean Improvement Active Charcoal Mask to clear pores. And let me tell you, I love this. I've been using it for a few years now, so this is definitely not just a monthly favorite. It's an annual favorite, an everyday favorite, whatever you want to call it, lifetime favorite. So this mask right here, it clears out all your pores. It takes away blemishes, every single thing like that. Like I get like these tiny little bumps here, and it helps to get rid of them. I don't use it as often as I used to, but like when I start to like get those bumps again and stuff like that, like my skin looks textured, I'll start using this again, and truth be told, they will be gone. Like this product is so amazing. Like when you put it on, it's like a gray color. It's like a gray color. You put it on when your face is like cleansed. I just wash my face, and then I'll go ahead and put this on. I just use this for like that pick me up, or just to feel good, you know. Like sometimes I had a long night with baby and things like that. Some days you just want to pick me up, you just want to feel fresh, or even just after a full week of wearing makeup, anything like that. This is definitely going to clear out your pores and bring light to your face. Like after I use this, my face feels really soft and smooth and alive. Like I love using this product on my face. It does dry. It dries, and then it feels really hard, and like I like to squinch at my face like that just to crack it. And I think I leave this on for what does it say? I leave it on for about 10-15 minutes, and then I go ahead and wash it off. But most of the time, you know, sometimes I leave it on there for like little 30 minutes, even though you're not supposed to leave it on there that long. I do that sometimes. I'm guilty. I do that, and but yeah, this doesn't steer me wrong. I love this product, and I'll continue to buy it. The first time that I had got it, I had the small one. I think it was about $17 for the small one. I was in Sephora, you know that the little aisle when you first go check out, they have all those little things up there, little travel size stuff. That's where I got it from, and I had tried it out from then, and since then I love it, and I just bought the big one because I feel like it's worth it. One other thing that I've been using on my body is from NEUTROGENA. It's the NEUTROGENA body oil, and I really love this. I'm not sure if I featured this in one of my favorites a few years ago, but this has been a favorite of mine for a really long time. I love the smell of it. I don't get the one that's unscented, but I love this one. It has like a light sesame smell. It smells so good. And they do have the body wash. They're called Rain Bath. I usually like the green one. It's like the pear scented one. That one smells so good. I haven't been able to find it. Every time I go there to like Walmart, Target, it's sold out. But I did find the body oil again, and as you can see, like I've had this probably like a month or so, 3 weeks, something like that. And this is how far I've gone down in it already. Like every single time I get out the shower, my skin is still moist. I go ahead and slather this all over my body, and I feel really good. It says that you can even use it in your bath. It says add to water to soften your skin while you bathe. I don't do that, but I do use it after my shower or a bath. Like it feels really good. Yeah, it says while skin is still damp, smooth on a few drops to help seal it in moisture. Let your body dry naturally, or simply pat dry with a towel. This is really good. It gives your skin that glow. You could even like shave off some of your highlighter and apply it to it, and you'll get your own little shimmer body oil, anything like that. I just love using body oils all over my body, and this smells really good. They do have it in an unscented version if you do have sensitive skin, but this is amazing. It doesn't feel heavy. It's really lightweight. It sinks into your skin really good, and you don't get that sticky feeling like when you put your clothes on. It doesn't leave an oily residue. This product is so bomb, and I'll continue to buy it and use it on my body because I love having glowy skin, especially in the summertime when I want to wear my shorts and my dresses and my skirts and stuff like that. You know how we do. So the next thing that I've been loving is my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter foundation. I have it in the color 380, and I really love this foundation. Sorry, somebody's honking their horn outside. The perks of living in the city, right? But yeah, I really love this product. So much rage came out like when it first came out, and I was on the bandwagon. I was like, I really want to try that product. It took me a long time to buy it. You know, the shades did sell out, but I did go ahead and get it. I think I got it for my birthday in April, and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna just go ahead and splurge. I'm gonna get it, and it's really good. I'm glad that I did, and I have it on right now, and it's a soft matte finish. I do love mattes because I do have like an oily T-zone and everything, but this is like the best foundation. I do have a lot of drugstore foundations that I love to use as well, and that's usually my go-to. I usually do wear drugstore foundations, so if I find something a little bit more high-end that I love, I'm sticking to it. I really love this, and I love Rihanna. Like, who doesn't love Rihanna? But yes, I love Rihanna to death. Like, she's like a fashion icon. She's everything. Like, I love all her music. I buy her albums. She's amazing, and she's a Caribbean girl just like me. So of course I had to go ahead and support. Oh my god, the train. Everything wants to happen when I gotta film today. What's up? But yes, one time for your girl. I love you, Rihanna. Your product is amazing. I have your highlighter, your gloss bomb. I'm going to be talking about that too because I got it on Honey. That is one of my favorites as well. So yes, Rihanna is bomb. And then one more, yeah, the next thing that I've been loving is it's a freebie I got when I did make a purchase from Sephora.com, and it was the DIORSHOW mascara. I really like this. I never thought that I would like this. It's not even that. It's because like I usually don't really buy high-end mascaras like that. I feel like because you only use these for such a little while, you know, these are things that you toss all the time. So you definitely want to go ahead and buy drugstore mascaras all the time because it's something that you have to replace so often since it's something you put on your eye. You know what I mean? But I feel like this is something that I would definitely go ahead and splurge on. This is really good. I have it on my eyes now. You probably can't even tell because I do have lashes on. But the applicator on this, I don't know if the big one comes like this, but it's huge. And it feels like it packs on so much product in it. The bristles are really clumped and like close together, and it feels like it's going to spread evenly and get to every single lash. And it has this really tiny pointed edge, and I feel like I could get all the lashes in like the front, the edges, and like even the baby lashes at the bottom. I really love this mascara. It's not waterproof, and it's like super black. It says that it lasts for 6 months, but I'm not gonna keep a mascara for 6 months. No. But yeah, I really like this. I feel like I'm definitely gonna splurge and just get the big one. But once I finish this, I'm gonna see how it is like. But so far, I'm really loving it. The next thing that I want to talk about is my Anastasia Glow Kit. This is the Sun Dipped one, and I have it on as well. I really love this highlighter. I am a highlighter fanatic. Like, I have so much highlighters from Becca, Anastasia. I have a Carly Bible palette with highlighters in it. I have so many highlighters. I even have Nicole Guerrero's highlighter kit from Anastasia. But this one right here is really, really nice. And my favorite color to use is bronzed. Sometimes I do go ahead and mix the tourmaline and moonstone. I have yet to use summer. I might use this for like highlight or like eyebrow highlight or like inner corner highlight. I don't think I'll ever use it on my face, or maybe I'll use it on like my, you know, my décolleté area or anything like that. I'll probably use it on that, but I feel like it's a little too stark white for me. But for these three colors, like, I'll go ahead and like mix in all three, like go ahead and like you know, fan it on, and it looks really, really pretty. Like, those are the three colors that I applied today, and I'm saying I have to admit that I really love it. Like my nose, like my Cupid's bow, everywhere like that. I went ahead and applied that today, and I really like it. I went ahead and I sprayed my face with Fix Plus. No, I applied it first and I sprayed with Fix Plus, and then I went ahead again with the brush that was dry. I didn't apply any more product, and it just sealed it in for me. And I really like it. It's bomb. So yeah, these are finely milled. They're not chunky, super glittery, and they're bomb. Like, these are intense, like, pigmented highlighters. I love this. I always wanted to buy it and I never bought it. So I got this as a Christmas gift, but I just, you know, I didn't really get the chance to use it. But I used to use it when I worked at Macy's. I used to work in the cosmetic department. I used to do makeup on clients and customers and stuff like that. So I used to use this palette on a lot of customers, but I never bought it. I would always say I was going to buy it, but I never did. But I did get this as a gift, and I've been loving it. And hey. So the next and last thing is a trio of things that I've been using. It's my lip combination that I've been loving for the month. And I don't know when I'm going to start using it, because I really like these products. But yeah, so the three products that I'm going to mention is my MAC Chestnut Lip Liner. And it's just a nice chocolate brown lip liner. It's like that. It's really nice. I have that on. I line my lips with that. And then I have on my Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb. I guess the color is called Fenty Glow. This is bomb. And then the next thing that I have is my NARS lipstick in Honolulu Honey. I've mentioned this in so many favorites before, even in haul videos. It's just a sheer nudie color. I think it's like perfect for like women of color. It's like the perfect nude lip, but it's like right here. That's the color right there, and it's like it has a sheen to it. It's not matte or anything, so I feel like when I apply the gloss onto it, it doesn't feel sticky. It doesn't feel like I have a million products on my lip. It's really good. But this baby right here, I really love this product. I'm not really a lip gloss fanatic. The only lip glosses that I really tend to use is the Anastasia lip glosses, and I like this lip gloss. It doesn't feel sticky on my lips at all. I even apply so much, like my lips are like glossy. Look. Using my mirror down here. And like, I applied more and my lips don't even feel too glossy. It doesn't feel heavy, sticky, weighed down or anything like that. I love the shine that it gives. It has little tiny micro glitters in it. They look like little silver specks of glitter, but I don't see that translate on my lips. I don't see it, and I really like that. I don't want to feel like the chunky glitters, and when it dries down I still don't see the glitters. This is really good. It smells nice. It smells nice and fruity, and I really love the applicator on it. It's huge. It's like a really huge applicator that you put all over your lips, and this product is just bomb. And it's a universal color. I feel like anybody could get away with this lip gloss. But yes, so thank you so much, guys. That is my monthly favorites for June. Thank you so much for sticking with me. Take care and be blessed.